milliamp 4S pack. Initial thoughts on the batteries. Alright, initial thoughts on the props. Now they're quite smooth, snappy, plenty of speed behind them. I was actually quite impressed. This is a 5S stable 3-inch. I was only running on 4S today because it was raining and I shouldn't have really been flying it anyway, but I just couldn't wait any longer. I had to see what they were like. Hey. Alright. It is drizzling. Well, it's actually more than drizzling. They're quite big raindrops, but I don't care. I can't wait any longer. It's been raining for 3 days. I haven't flown this quad in a while. It's got spider webs on the antenna, but I've got to try these new HQ 3x4x3 props. Do it anyway. Alright, now initial thoughts over the new V1S 3-inch prop from HQ Props. Now, as I said before, I did plan on trying on this. VTX is playing up, so I've taken that out to work it out. And today it's raining anyway, so I got plenty of time to do that. But I couldn't wait any longer. I had to just see what they flew like. Now, they've got a pretty crazy looking pitch to them. They're a 3x4x3 HQ prop. Now, I flew them on this with little Armatan oomph motors and just a basic little 3-inch X frame. They felt good on the sticks, and I didn't even tune it or change it. I hadn't flown this thing for probably three months. How aggressive the pitch of the prop is, even though they're only a 3x4, they do look quite aggressive, but they're cool. So yeah, my first impressions are they're smooth, quite snappy, definitely a fast prop. I don't know how efficient they are yet. I'm still yet to work that out. I only did a 2-minute flight, and as you can see it was raining, so I'm lucky that the quad come back without shorting out. It's not conformal coated or waterproofed in any way, so it was just me being impatient and wanting to try the props. So just skitzer approve. I'm not doing that crap. I like them. My initial thoughts is I like them. They're a pretty cool looking prop and they fly nice. Certainly looking forward to trying them more. Anyway, on that note, I'll get this all edited and uploaded so you can check it out for yourselves. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and any questions, just throw them in the comments. Alright, thank you very much, and until next time, keep flying, even if it is raining. See yous.